In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AliExpress to Big Cartel. Whether you're new to e-commerce or a seasoned pro, integrating these two platforms can enable you to seamlessly manage your shop and streamline your selling process. Our aim today is to simplify your workflow and help you focus more on growing your business. So let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll want to head to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your central hub where you can control everything related to your store. You can access it by logging in via your Big Cartel account. Once you're there, you'll notice several options and features that allow you to customize and manage your store efficiently. The next step is to navigate to the apps section. In Big Cartel, apps are add-ons that provide additional functionality to your store. You'll find this option on the main menu. It's like discovering a treasure trove, each app packed with unique features to help you run your store smoothly. After you've clicked on Apps, scroll down to the section labeled Shop Management and Shipping. This is where you'll find tools that enhance how you manage products and orders. Here, look for Zapier, Workflow Automation. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects various applications together, allowing them to communicate and operate seamlessly. It's a fantastic way to automate and connect your AliExpress store directly to Big Cartel without needing any technical expertise. Once you've located Zapier in the list of integrations, click on it. However, keep in mind that access to Zapier might require a paid plan from Big Cartel. If you haven't upgraded your account yet, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. Upgrading your account generally provides you with more features and tools that can enhance your store's performance and management capabilities. Click on Upgrade to install to proceed. This will guide you through the steps necessary to complete the payment process and eventually will give you access to Zapier once the upgrade is complete. With Zapier connected to your Big Cartel, you can now set up Zaps, what Zapier calls its automated workflows, which can include actions triggered by events in AliExpress or Big Cartel. There you have it, a straightforward process to connect AliExpress to Big Cartel using Zapier. This integration will not only save you time by automating tasks, but also increase your efficiency.